Hello, welcome to today's immigration tidbit. Okay, that's a long time for a motion to reopen to be pending. But you first have to look at the nature of the motion to reopen. I mean, I don't know if you did this yourself, if you had an attorney that wasn't experienced do it. I don't know what the merits of the motion are. You have to understand that a motion to reopen to the BIA is a very difficult motion to get approved. I mean, essentially what you're saying is something was not done properly before, or something was not ruled properly legally, and you want the case reopened because of, A, B, and C. That's what it comes down to. Now, if they're going to reopen the case, they're essentially saying, yes, we agree with you, we did something wrong, or we issued the rule in contra to what the law is, or we didn't consider this fact or that rule. So they're essentially admitting a mistake, and people don't like to do that. So it has to be really strong. So normally when I get questions like this, the first thing I do is I review the motion to reopen to see if there's a valid basis for it, okay, or if there's another path that can be taken. There's too many people that think just because they file a motion to reopen, it's going to be granted, and that is by far not the truth. The vast majority of motions to reopen are denied. Okay, that's the reality. All right. I mean, which is all the more reason to make sure you get an expert immigration attorney do it. But first, I make sure that it has everything it needs to. And I can tell you that when I review when someone's done a motion to reopen, either it wasn't done properly, it wasn't filed correctly, or it doesn't have good arguments in there that have a better chance of winning. So at the present time, because that's probably not been done, you should have your motion to reopen supplemented with better arguments and better ways of trying to get the case reopened. Okay, as long as they haven't made a decision, you can supplement it. You can put a supplemental brief in with all the necessary legal arguments to make it stronger. Then after, you can worry about doing a status check to see what's going on. Okay?